We will guide you through how to convert Photoshop file into JPG. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your PSD project in Adobe Photoshop. Click File on the menu bar to open the available saving and exporting commands. Select Save a Copy so you can create a JPEG version. As a shortcut, you can press the Ctrl, Alt, and S keys together to open the same saving window. Open the Save as Type drop-down menu to view the file formats available for the copy. Select JPEG, shown with the JPG and JPEG file name extensions. Browse to the folder where you want to store the exported file, choosing a location you can easily find later. Enter or revise the file name if needed, using a clear name that distinguishes this copy from the original project. Click Save to confirm the location and file name, and continue with the export. The JPEG options window will appear, allowing you to control the balance between image quality and file size. Choose maximum, generally a value from 10 through 12, when high image quality is the priority, or choose medium, usually from 5 through 8, when you need a smaller file for sharing, uploading, or storage. Leave format options set to baseline standard for broad compatibility with common applications, websites, and devices. Review the selected quality and format settings, then click OK to export the image and close the options window. After Photoshop finishes saving, open the destination folder you selected earlier and look for the new JPG file. Verify that it was created successfully by checking its name and file size. Then open it briefly to confirm that the image displays correctly and contains the expected artwork.